Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ng GMA News 7 minutes ago. Mainit-init pa. Tungkol ito sa official statement ni Archbishop Socrates Villegas ng Church of Lingayen Dagupan sa impeachment process ni VP Sara. So ito ang title, It is wrong. It is a sin. Yun, kasalanan daw eh. So, ito, yung basahin ko na yung statement ng Archbishop. My dear people of God in the Church of Lingayen Dagupan, I wish to contribute as a priest and shepherd to the public forum about the delayed impeachment process of the Vice President. From our heritage of Catholic social doctrines, we have sufficient legal experts to guide us in understanding the laws governing the process. I cannot add more. Here I offer these guidelines from the perspective of truth in the pursuit of justice and protection of the common good. O, dyan tayo mag-ano mamaya, yung truth, justice, and common good. Christ is the truth, John 14:6. The Lord is the God of justice, Isaiah 30 verse 19. His will is our fullness of life, John chapter 10 verse 10. These are good Bible verses. To delay the trial or even to abort it is to suppress the truth. It is a sin. The opponent, the devil, is rightly called the prince of lies. It is a sin to suppress or conceal the truth. The nation has a right to the truth that can only be established by law and evidence. To deprive the people of the full truth is a form of robbery. It is keeping something not yours. It is a sin. When motivated by selfish ambition and the prioritization of personal desires, gratification and comfort, the delay of the process of pursuing the truth is a sin. It is marks of negligence and laziness not to pursue the truth when you have the capacity to know it forthwith is a grave sin of omission. It is morally unacceptable. To abort the trial even before its delayed commencement is deplorable. It is a sin against justice. Justice na naman. The trial by the Senate is a positive command of the Philippine Constitution. It is a demand of justice. It must be commenced and it must continue to a just verdict. It is wrong to delay or abort it according to no less than the framers of the Constitution itself. I add, it is sinfully wrong. It offends truth and justice. Procrastination is a form of laziness which leads to the neglect of responsibilities, tasks, or opportunities, which can be interpreted as a lack of diligence or commitment. The nation deserves better than such officials. As we celebrate our Independence Day a few days from now, may we always remember that only in God can we be truly free. May the Lord set us free from our own devils of lies, injustice, mediocrity, and selfishness. Okay. Ito, I agree. Dito sa last statement ng Arsobispo na ang tunay na kalayaan makakamtan lang natin sa Panginoong Hesus. When the sun sets you free, you are free indeed. Okay. So, dito, overall, tama naman itong sinasabi ng Arsobispo. Maraming tao gustong matuloy ang impeachment trial. Personally, gusto kong matuloy para makapanood ng bloodbath. Kaya lang, itong bagay na ito, pati ang defense team, pati si BP Sara, gusto niya. Ang defense team, nagbigay na ng statement kanina na they are ready. So, lahat ng ito, the ball is in the hands of the senators. So sana pakinggan kayo ng mga senador. Sana makabot ito sa mga senador. But ito lang din ang aking masasabi kasi sinasabi ng Arsobispo, truth, justice, ano pa yung isa? Service. Tingnan ko ha. Yun, saan ba yun? Truth, basta justice and for the common good pala yung isa. Bakit ang simbahang Katoliko o mga obispo tahimik sila sa nangyari sa PhilHealth? Hindi ba injustice yun? Kung for the common good sila, bakit tahimik sila nung kinuha ng administrasyong ito yung 60 billion pesos na pera ng taong bayan? Kawawang mga may sakit. O, nasaan ang hustisya doon? Saan ang common good? Nasaan ang truth? Tahimik sila. O, yung 2025 budget na tinaguri ang most corrupt budget in our nation's history, nasaan ang ating mga obispo? Bakit tahimik sila? Kaya nga naglabas ng statement si Atty. Vic Rodriguez na hypocrites, banal. Nasaan kayo? Wala. Ngayon, impeachment case ni BP Sara, naglabasan sila. So, selective justice, ganun ba yun? But anyway, I am one with everybody who is calling for the commencement of the trial. Yes, sana masimulan na ang trial dahil, but remember, impeachment is a political process. It is not based purely on evidence. It is more on political leaning. So kung anong gusto ng mga senador, yun ang masunod. So abangan natin hanggang June 11. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig dahil ang sweldo natin nito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng mga yero at pako para magkaroon naman ng mas maayos na tirahan ang Tribong Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Natagaan na gid si Kimay og yero. Iatop niya sa iyang balay. Nga silupin lang ang atop. Nani ang atop ni Kimay. Silupin lang. Makita gani nato nga nabtangan na og tubig. Sakit na ni siya. So nagaulan na gyud sayo pagani o karon naman na gyud si Kuya Kimay sa pagkatop ug nindot na gyud kaayo. Ug karon unsa inyong mga istorya nga humana ang inyong pag-atop? sa inyong balay.
Salamat ko sa Ginoo kay nakauman na gyud mig atop tanawa na nami atop sa among abuan. Salamat gid kaayo sa Ginoo og kuan magpasalamat pud ko sa naghatag aning sen kay nakauman na mis among balay. Salamat gid kaayo murat akong isa sulti.
Okay, salamat kayo.
Salamat.